respectable students. I'm hopeful that you might have studied at home the previous day and completed your task. Today we are going to start present continuous tense. How to make tenses you have earlier studied, and now we are going to learn how to change them into passive voice. So the structure again, here I have written active voice, passive voice, both structures here, subject, verb, object, verb, subject. You have to change place of object and subject. And here you are using ing form, and you know very well. Here we are using the third form in all the passive tenses. Helping verb is mr. Here we are using ing form with is mr. Plus being. We are using plus being. Okay, then we are going to change into passive voice. Here I have already written here on the board active voice sentences. He is playing guitar. He is not playing guitar. Is he playing guitar? Is he not playing guitar? Now anybody please could you change this into passive voice just by looking at the structure? Anybody? Yes, please, sir. Change this into passive voice. He is playing guitar.
Guitar is being played by him.
Nice, well done, good. Because here he has, by looking at the structure, he has changed into passive voice. Well done. Guitar is being, third form is played. Guitar is being played by he, him. You have to change these pronouns like this, like I into me, you, he, him, she, her, we, us. All right. They, them. They, them. This is how you are going to change first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun into I into me, you into you, he, him, she, her, we, us, they, them. So now here, what would be the second sentence? He is not playing guitar. Anybody? He is not playing guitar. Change into passive. Guitar
Is not being played.
Well done. Guitar is not being played by him. Nice. Next, please. Is he playing guitar? How you are going to make sentence?
Is guitar being played by him?
Well done. Again, you have to keep it into interrogative from the sentence. Is he
Being
being? Is he being played by him? What do you want to say is he? Why you have used here he? Is he being played? Why you are saying he here? Yes, look at the sentence. Is guitar. Because you have to change, object, subject into object. Alright? So now here you would use here is guitar. Is guitar being played by him? Next, last sentence. Is he not playing guitar?
Is guitar not being played?
Yes, you are right. Is guitar not being played by him? So this is how you are going to change from active into passive voice. Like, let me change another sentence for you. I am writing a letter. I am not writing a letter. Am I writing a letter? Am I not writing a letter? A letter is being written by me. A letter is not being written by me. Is a letter. Being written by me is a letter. Not being written by me. This is how you are going to change into passive voice. So now, dear students, you are going to make sentences. And first make in active voice, then change into passive voice, and then share with your colleagues in the class. So this is how you are going to be able to make variety of sentences. Yes, dear students, I am hopeful that you must have developed sentences. Yes, could you please share now?
She is cutting the paper.
Good.
She isn't cutting the paper. She cutting the paper? Is she not cutting the paper? Passive voice. The paper is being cut by her. The paper is not cut by her.
Is being.
Is being
Is not being cut by
cut by
her.
her. Is the paper being cut by her? Is the paper not being
Cut by her. Well then, next please.
I am playing PUBG. I am not playing PUBG. Am I playing PUBG? Am I not playing PUBG? Passive voice. PUBG is being played by me. PUBG is not being played by me. Is PUBG being played by me? Is PUBG
Is PUBG not being well done? Nice. Good.
He is eating food. He is not eating food. Is he eating food? Is he not eating food? Passive voice. Food is being eaten by him. Food is not being eaten by him. Is food being eaten by him? Is food not being
Not being eaten by him. Good. Next.
Our teachers are teaching various lessons. Our teachers are not teaching various lessons.
Various lessons.
Are our teachers teach various
Teaching various lessons.
Are our teachers not teaching our
Various lessons. Good.
passive voice? Various lessons are being taught by our teachers. Various lessons are not
Lessons.
being taught by our teachers. Are various lessons being taught by our teachers? Are various lessons not being taught by
Well done.
our
Good. Nice. Well done. Yes, please.
He is sending a message. He is not sending a message. Is he sending a message? Is
Message. Yes.
sending a message.
Good. Each.
A message is being sent by him. A message is not being sent by him. Is a message being sent by him? Is a message not being sent
Good.
by
Well done. Nice. Yes. Next, please.
Active voice. I am washing the clothes. I am not washing the clothes. Am I washing the clothes? Am I not washing the clothes? Passive voice. The clothes are being washed by me. A clothes are not being. A clothes are not being.
Clothes are clothes. They are plural. Noun you cannot use.
washed by
Okay.
me. Are the clothes being washed
Are clothes being washed?
by me? Are the clothes not being washed by me?
Well done, nice, good. So you have, dear students, I am hopeful that you might have understood how to change present continuous tense from active into passive voice, and also you are well aware about how to make sentences. Thank you very much.
Thank you.